help me pack. It's finally time. We're leaving in two days. And because you see, I have 2 luggages. This is gonna be empty, so we bring back stuff. So we gotta learn how to pack everything into this. So let's do it!
Okay, as you can see, I have a lot to pack into this carry-on. The strategy is to fit all of my clothes, a lot of basics, into these compression packing cubes. So I made the decision of packing a lot of essentials and basics, and I figured if I needed anything, I would buy on the way anyways. So I obviously bought a couple of sweaters, which are a bit bulkier just because it is spring and it might be cold, and I do get cold easily. But I was also able to fit a lot, like 8 pairs of pants in one of the bigger compression cubes. And for the rest, for example, in the check bag, our goal is to have most of it empty, if not the majority. But I figured I would pack all the liquids. So anything makeup, hair care, like hair products, shampoo and stuff, skincare will go into the checked bag because I don't want to get stopped at security saying that my limit is over and I need to throw out some stuff. So that's what we're doing there. We're gonna pack all of those into the check bag, and then on our way back we'll figure out something else so that we have the most space for all the stuff we're buying home. Guys, it's 6:40, I think, 6:50 maybe. Lexi's on her way to come pick us up for the airport. Saying goodbye to the babies. Wonder how big Basil will grow while we're gone. Bye, Sky. Obviously, they're more interested in their food right now, but yeah. So sad. Okay, guys. We're going. We left the cats. This is what we're leaving behind. A shit ton of film. Thank you, Lexi, for driving us.
You're welcome.
So many people already.
So 1 to 6. Racist one.
Wow. Air Canada. Will you let us stop? How fast? This is perfect. Thank you so much. Bye. Thank you. Mark, you ready?
Let's go.
Go, go, go. Thanks, Lexi. Shout out to Lexi. We are in the Air Canada lounge. Thank you. We have breakfast. And security was really quick. We checked our bags really quickly too. And thank God, because through the VIP thingy, priority line, we got to pass through security really quick. We got a different line, so we didn't have to line up the long way. And now we're so early that it's 8:10, and our flight leaves for Toronto at
9:35.
9:35 is boarding, and our flight leaves at 10:10. Hi guys, we're still in the lounge. we were gonna get ready to leave, but we just got a text. Our first delay. I mean, there is a snowstorm, so it's delayed by 30 minutes. We're supposed to leave at 10:10. We're gonna leave at 10:40, and we double checked. We have time to do our next flight as well, so it's fine. But hopefully there's not another delay. I'm knocking on wood right now. We just landed in Toronto, and we're on our way walking over to our connection. And it actually is no longer delayed. It's now 2:30 instead of 3:50.
Something like that.
So yeah, let's go find the lounge / the gate, and we can settle down, get some more food from the lounge. Thank you, Lexi, again, because it's lunchtime and we're hungry. So. Guys, we're in a quiet section of the lounge. Just got dinner. Again, I cannot emphasize. Bless you, Lexi. I could kiss you when I come back. So right now our flight is. Give me a second. Our flight was delayed. It was initially supposed to be like at 1:50, but now it was delayed till 3:30. And then once we got down to Toronto, it said it's now moved forward to 2:30. We saw the gates on our way to the lounge, so we're just gonna eat, have lunch, and then go look for the gate. But this is sick. I saw a shower. I saw quiet rooms. This is nice. This is really
very nice. Very lucky.
You just take a platter of chips. So this is Mark's lunch.
Fuel.
Okay. We're just gonna munch. So we just boarded our 14-hour flight. Mark and I are setting us up. So I have the window seat, Mark has the middle seat.
I do.
We have blankets and pillows. I didn't expect that. Last time I didn't get a pillow or a blanket for the back. So yeah, people are kind of boarding. We got priority boarding. Thank you, Lexi, again. So yeah, this is going to be a 14-hour flight. I'll take you guys along, show you guys the food, and I have food time, so let's show you guys what we have. So we have noodles, some corn salad, a little bread with that. I think she said it was pork beef rice. Pork beef rice. And a little brown. So bon appetit.
Please watch your step.
Guys, made it to Tokyo. This is our hotel. Just checked in. And we're gonna do a little room reveal.
Let's see.
Okay. Ooh, wait, where's the light? Please insert. Can you insert? No, up. Oh, there you go. So this is our little bedroom. It's small, but
As expected.
it's fine. Washroom.
Honestly, more than enough. It's not like we're staying here a lot.
Yep. Okay. We're here.